Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you my exercise this morning, and this time I'll be hitting my belly fats. So my belly is still big kahit lagi ako exercise, and let's do this. Kahit hindi ako kumakain ng rice, ganun talaga siya, puso-unong talaga ko. And let's do this, estimate ko lang siya guys. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gawin ko lang siya 30 pounds. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, that is it guys.